Saffron, a spice for a sunny disposition. Saffron is a spice with a beautiful golden color. It comes from a flower called the crocus.
Saffron is known for making people feel better. Studies show that saffron can help people feel happier. It might even help if you're feeling a little sad. Saffron can also help you remember things better.
This special spice is full of antioxidants. These antioxidants protect our bodies from bad things. Saffron may also be good for your heart, your tummy, and even your eyes.
The journey of saffron, from crocus to cuisine. Saffron comes from a place called the Middle East. It's now grown in many countries. The crocus flower needs a special place to grow.
It takes a lot of work to get saffron from the flower. Each flower only has a few tiny threads of saffron. These threads have to be carefully picked by hand. This makes saffron one of the most expensive spices in the world.
A golden thread through history, saffron has a long and interesting history. People have used saffron for thousands of years. A long time ago, people used it in medicines and perfumes.
Saffron was a symbol of being rich and royal. It was even used to make clothes a beautiful gold color. Today, saffron is still a very special spice all over the world.
Saffron on your plate, a world of flavor. Saffron makes food taste and look special. It's used in dishes all around the world. One famous saffron dish is called paella. Paella is a Spanish rice dish with seafood and meat.
Biryani is another popular dish with saffron. This is a mixed rice dish from South Asia. Saffron makes these dishes and many others taste really special. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.